Lights, camera, action.
So for the first loop, the for loop, I first start with the y equal to 0, the counter of the loop. The condition will be 5 less than 5, strictly less than 5. So if the counter value will be more equal or greater than 5, just equal to 5, it will exit the loop, and it will increment each time by 1. So this is the same result. We will get the same result with the while loop. So the initial values will be set outside of the loop, but the condition remains the same, y strictly less than 5, and then I will print the value of y, the same statement in the for loop, and also the other difference is the incrementation of the y counter of the loops will be also done inside of the loop. The same statements will be used with the do while loop, so the initial value of y, the printing, and the incrementation of the y value, and the same condition. And then we will have here the same results. So we will print the value from 0 to 4. When the condition will check the value of y and it will find that y is equal to 5, which is not less or strictly less than 5, it will exit the 3 loops. But then when I will change the initial value, for example here, instead of starting from 0, I will start from 5, which is the condition of stopping the loop. For the for loop, first it will initiate y, then it will check the y. It will see that it's not strictly inferior to 5, so it will exit the loop. The same with the y. Initiate y to 5, test the value. It will not be strictly less than 5, and then it will exit the loop. The difference here with the do while loop, when I will initiate the y with 5, I will enter the loop without any condition, because this is the principle of the do while loop. We will always execute one statement before checking the condition or testing the condition. This is why it will print the value 5, increment the y, and then after that it will test the value of y. It will see that the value is not less than 5, so it will exit the loop. You can see it here. So the do while loop, and it will print the 5, and then it will stop the loop. If you have any comment on this video or interested in any other subject, please let me know in the comment below. Bye.